नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहूँ. Myself, JV Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today's topic is point group. What are the point group? The point group is the set of the symmetry operation. Okay, the symmetric molecule symmetries. Okay, and in a group theory, the mathematical treatment of the particular group are used to for the molecular orbital and vibration and other like properties. Okay, so how will you determine the point group for the particular molecule? Okay, so there is some steps to determine the point group for the molecule. First you have to determine the symmetry, like low or high symmetry. Then you have to find a rotation axis. Okay, the highest rotation axis and also known as a principal axis. Third is the molecule have any C2 axis perpendicular to Cn axis. You have to find that. Now you have to find that the molecule have a mirror plane, which is a sigma. Okay, perpendicular to Cn axis. Cn is your principal axis. Okay, now the molecule does have any mirror plane like sigma v or sigma d that contains Cn axis. And the last one, there is a C2n axis collinear with the Cn axis. Okay, so these 6 steps you have to follow to identify the point group for a particular molecule. Okay, there are some example for point group, like if first you have to find out the group of low symmetry. Okay, so it will be C1, CS or Ci. If you will not get, so you have to find out the group of the high symmetry. What are the group of high symmetry? Like tetrahedral, octahedral, C infinity V, dihedral infinity H, and isothermal in horizontal. Okay, so these are the high symmetric groups, and C1, CS and Ci is a low symmetric group. Now after finding the symmetry, you have to identify the highest order rotation, like Cn, what kind of rotation the molecule have done. Now after that, the perpendicular axis on the C2 axis, like if the perpendicular axis is present, you have to go for the D group. If the perpendicular axis is not present, you have to go for the C or S2n group. So first, if the perpendicular axis is present, for the D group, first you have to identify it will sigma H. If it will sigma H, the point group will be DNH. And if the sigma H is absent, so you have to find out the sigma D. If the sigma D is available, so the point group for the particular molecule is DND. And if the dihedral plane is not present, so the point group will be DN. So if the perpendicular C2 axis is absent, so you have to go for the C or S2 N group. For this purpose, if the sigma H is present, so the point group will be CNH. And if the sigma H is absent, you have to identify that the sigma V is present or not. Okay, in this case, if sigma V is present, so the point group will be CNV. And if the CNV is sigma V is absent, so you have to go for the S2N. Okay, S2N is present or not. Inversion and reflection and inversion. Okay, so if the S2N is present, the point group will be S2N, and if it will not present, the point group will CN. So you have to follow this chart to identify the group for the point group for the particular molecule. Okay, then what are the groups of the low and high symmetry? Okay, here are some examples of the low and high symmetry. Like low symmetry, there are C1, CS and Ci. Okay, what kind of symmetry? No symmetry other than the identity operation, like CHFClBr. This is the structure of CHFClBr. Okay, now in CS, the only one mirror plane is present. Okay, and in Ci only one inversion center are present. Okay, so these are low symmetric groups, and in another the high symmetric groups like high symmetric groups like linear tetrahedral and octahedral and isocohedral like sigma C sigma V D D sigma H D infinite H C infinite V D infinite H tetrahedral octahedral isocohedral. Okay, these are the structure of example of this high symmetric group. And what are the other group present in a point group? Okay, so if you find this for the P, you can see the CH, C3 C3 C2 and C3 present in a for the plane of the symmetry. Okay, in ammonia molecule you can see C3. These are the principal axis for the particular molecule. Okay, these are the another example of in this kind of group the D group is present because there is a more than two axes are present in a dihydride perpendicular to C2 axis, and if the C2 axis no perpendicular axis is present, then the group will be C or S group. Okay, so these are some example of point group. Now if the D group is present, you will give if the sigma H is present or not. If the sigma H is present, the point group is D3H, and if in a CS group, if the sigma H is present, so the point group will be C2H. Okay, the another example, if in a D group the sigma D and sigma V are present or not. Okay, if it will not present, the point group will D3, and if the sigma V is not present, and so the group will be C3V. So these are some example of to how to identify the point group for the particular molecule. Thank you.